Let me tell you how to add any song or music in your videos in YouTube Studios editor. For this, just open your channel, select the video in which you want to add the music. Let's say this one. On the right hand side, you will see the option of editor. Click on it. Select any music from this option, audio. In the audio option, you can see these three lines. Click on it. Now you can search as per your choice. For example, I want mood, calm mood, and happy, inspirational, apply. So these are the songs which are in this category. This one is better. I am adding it. Click on the add button. If I want to remove it, I can remove it from here. If I want to change its volume, mixing level, I can choose it like this much. Let me play here. This is the lowest volume, and if you want to increase, you cannot hear any voice of the video. And if I change its level, you can hear it. So in this way you can change the volume of the audio that you are adding in the videos of your YouTube in the editor.